What are we going to do today, babe?
We're heading to Terry Bison Ranch. We're gonna, it's our son's birthday, so we're gonna take him out and show him the bison. We've done it one other time. It was pretty nice. There's a coupon or Groupon.
Yeah, the Groupon's $9 instead of the $20. So kids under 3 are free, and then it's $9 instead of $20, which is actually a really good deal.
And it's well worth it. You'll want to check it out.
What are we doing today?
Seeing the bison.
Yeah.
And
Why? What's today? What's today? Say today's my birthday.
Today is my birthday.
Nani wants to say hi. Say hi, Nani. Good boy. Carter. Happy birthday, Rui.
Happy birthday, Ruin.
You good boy. Say hi. Good boy, Nana. Ooh. Do you like the horses? Hi, horsey.
So,
Yeah, tell them.
hi, Yano.
They got stuff for the kids.
Yeah. Say hi. Good boy. Say hi.
Let's go.
Alright guys, this train is an old World War II Army truck that was built into a homemade and brought to school train. And it's got a 350 Chevy engine in it.
Ready?
It's a little rough, a little loud, but I'll try to keep it on the tracks best I can.
Oh, yeah.
That feed there in them buckets is called cake. It's alfalfa, corn, and molasses. I eat it for breakfast. That's what. 35 years old when he died. And that is unheard of in the buffalo world. Most of them live to be about 15. But he was 35. He was a bottle baby, fed with a bottle. I don't know what happened with his mama or whatever. But anyway, they fed him with a bottle, and I don't know if you guys have ever fed any animal with a bottle. They're your best friend forever. Big pet. I got a cow at home that way. She was my bottle baby. But anyway, the guys that took care of Tinker and everything, they said the reason he lived to be so old is because they fed him Oreo cookies all the time. So when I heard that story, I headed for the grocery store after that and got some Oreo cookies. Maybe it'd help.
Look at that guy. He's a big boy.
And Tinker was also a movie star. Him and Kevin Costner played golf together, went fly fishing, and all that. Anyway, Tinker was in the movie Dances with Wolves. You guys seen that?
Yeah.
Tinker was in that movie.
Really?
They shot part of that movie on them foothills out here. But that's pretty interesting.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. So, you guys ready to go feed some buffalo?
Hi, buffalo.
That's the other big boy. You said.
Yeah, let's see. Yeah, there's. They all got names, but I don't know which one is which. There's Charlie, Gene, and I can't remember the other one.
Look at how big he is.
Rui,
Go, throw it out there.
here.
They're weighing about 2,500 pounds.
Throw
Yeah,
it.
that's big.
Yeah.
Way big.
Throw it.
Oh, don't step out there, Mike.
Be careful.
Oh my gosh, he's big. That other one looks bigger.
They'll come over here and you can drop it right in their mouth.
Here.
No.
They're looking a little ratty because they're losing their winter hair. Here comes the mama right here.
Yeah.
They're busy enjoying the days, laying there sunning themselves.
Let's see right here.
I got one.
Come on. You got it? Put it in the mouth. Oh, you got it. Look, babe, this one's all. Look. Look, he's opening his mouth. Aww. Good boy.
Oh, he got up. You said, look how big he is.
Babe, look. He's licking. He's licking. Want some more? Oh, good boy. Whoop. Carter, feed him. Feed.
It licks my thumb like last time.
It's my phone too.
I'm out of here.
He's a big guy.
That one's
Careful though.
I'll
These
lick
might
my
come
fingers.
over here.
Don't throw it.
That one looks bigger than the other one.
They're just like cattle.
We just finished up at Terry Bison Ranch and we rode the train. There was about like, I don't know, 20 or 30 bison that we got to feed out of this little
Big
train
bison,
cart.
little bison.
They were huge. So we have 7 more days till we leave on our trip, and we should have more to come.
Follow us along and yeah, see how the West Coast goes for us.